How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So this is a follow-up video from a video I did last season on this plant, and this was a plant that watched the video before. This is a plant that I ended up having. It was a broken plant. Now, the reason this one was different than others that I've done is this one was broken for a while before we saw it out in the yard. So I ended up grafting it back together, but because I didn't see it right away and it had dried up a little, like sometimes if they break immediately and you put them back together, you can fix it real quick. You almost can glue it back together, so to speak. So I did the same steps on this one in the previous video, but I had to cut some off of both ends to kind of open it up again, because it had calloused over already. So I wasn't sure. And because the base and this actual branch weren't quite the same diameter. So I was like, oh, we're gonna give it a shot and see. So again, follow up just to show everyone it did survive. It did make it. You can see leaves on it. Again, it was later in the season last season. So I was like, oh, we'll give it a shot and see. So I didn't know over the winter how it would do. But as you can see, it's looking good. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is, without y'all having to look at me the whole time, I'm just going to zoom in on this just so everyone can see the aftermath of what it looks like. And just because I know last time people recommended, that's a nice way of putting it, that you couldn't really see what I was doing because of this angle and how far I was with angles, and I'm still learning. So let's do this. So I'm going to close it, get it closer just to show you kind of a rewind of how I did it. So 1 second, let me move the camera closer and we'll get into this. All right, so here it is. So what we got is, again, if you have watched the previous, then what you saw was basically I had to recut the ends, make sure they're nice fresh cuts, put them together, and essentially we put just your regular old staples around the edges just for one support, and then wrap it in electrical tape. Now, what you can see maybe in the picture is the video is actually had little, almost it was trying to root out, these edges were coming out instead of grafting. Sometimes they'll do that and you'll know, like sometimes, especially if something's not going to graft and moving it around, it'll sit there and try and root out the end sometimes, just trying to find a way. We've had grafts that actually root out, rooted back, so they look like this weird ball. But in this case, I'm just going to take this tape off. Again, kind of showing the reverse of what I do when I do graft. We're just going to see how this looks. And again, hopefully it's been long enough. And I'm just going to pull this electrical tape off. Had a lot of rain, so this... And I am doing this now because we are going to be hopefully selling this plant this weekend, farmer's market. See, this is such fresh. You can see, like, I'm trying to be careful because it is, some of that's pretty still green, and I don't want to rip off it's like ripping off a scab. I don't want to do that. But so I want to take it off just to show, like, you can see where the staples were originally, and then all this is where it regrew back together. And so it's all solid here, but just to show, should have got some little pliers, but you don't have to take these staples out. Sometimes eventually they'll just rust away, but I've actually had them where they just grow right over them. But for the sake of showing, I am going to pull this staple out just to show. Again, just your little household staples. That is all we put in there. And you can see, again, where, even matter of fact, the part that I originally did was thicker, how it really just grew into it. And just kind of see around, I mean, it looks kind of Frankenstein-y, but it's holding. I mean, it looks good. I was worried, but it's in there. And it's holding steady. So again, just to show you, don't be afraid to give that a shot and just see what happens. You can see where I pulled these. And now over time, this will just envelop over itself and you won't even see that anymore. And even like some people, you'll see a little edge where it just, that's just how it turned out. I mean, it's fine. Some goop from the electrical tape, but yeah, other than that, it looks good. I mean, like I said, obviously the leaves are growing out. You can see, like I said, I wanted to show this side just where it's kind of a bump, where if anyone that has dogs, gotta be real careful of not bumping and knocking into these things because it is not like a take. But so, again, didn't want to make this a long one. I'm already making it longer than I wanted to make it. This is just an example of what it looks like after we've grafted it back together when we had a break. So right on this side, just to show everybody too, because I'm sure some people might think, oh, well, but there's an indentation there. It's not holding. It didn't really take. So I'm going to pull this staple out right here just to, again, should have grabbed there. Staple's out. And that staple's gone. You can see this thing is solid. Again, I should have grabbed pliers to get these out, but just want to show everybody so people don't think I'm lying. I mean, that is all staples have gone now. Nothing is in there. So there it is. Just another example of a graft gone good. All right, here it is. Like I said, just follow up on last season's graft experiment. Again, usually we try and put them back together right away. And in this case, found it days later, all are calloused over, cut the ends off, made them look clean as we could get them, put them back together, put staples in them, wrapped it with electrical tape, just let it be. At that point, we did cut all the leaves off just so the energies all go into this. And as you can see now, all those staples out, it's back together. So hopefully this one will be one we sell this weekend. So again, hope you enjoyed it. Send me questions, subscribe, and until next time, y'all have a great day.